Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how to set the side key to open your favorite app on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open Settings, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Advanced Features. Under Advanced Features, tap on Side button, then you should see the option Double Press. So you want to ensure that this is enabled, and then you have two options. You can use the quick launch camera, or you can choose open app, then tap on the settings icon to choose which app you want to open. So currently it's set to torch, which means that whenever I double press on the side key, it will turn my torch on and off. So if you want to change that, say you wanted to open a different app such as Facebook or Gmail, all you need to do is simply select your chosen app. Then once you've selected your chosen app, whenever you double press, that app will be opened. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.